How to uninstall or delete hidden apps on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can uninstall or delete the hidden apps on your Android device. For this, you want to open up your settings. Now, when you tap on the apps option, a list of all the apps installed on your device will be displayed over here. Normally, you can tap open any of these applications and uninstall them from here. However, the hidden apps are not shown over here. So if you want to find the hidden apps, what you want to do is tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now type device admin and you want to search for that. Here you're going to find the device admin app, so you simply want to tap on that. Here you will find the list of all the hidden applications. Now if you have enabled the hidden applications and you want to uninstall or delete them, then the only thing you can do here is to toggle these options off. So here you have a hidden app called Find My Device. If you want to uninstall this, then you simply want to toggle this option off. Now you have the option of deactivate, so go ahead and tap on the deactivate option. So you are not able to delete it, however you can deactivate the hidden application. So all you want to do is search for device admin and deactivate the apps from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.